How's it going today, guys? Chance Cards back again. Sorry, just hit something with my elbow. With box number 4 of SP Authentic, and I'm very excited. I waited a few days to open some more, so here we are. There we go. Pulling off the good old factory seal. 18 packs. Ready to go. Here's the box. Pack number 1. No chit chat. Let's get right to it. Henrik Lundqvist, Nikita Kucherov, and Anze Kopitar, red. So that's my first red. That's alright, I guess. Craig Anderson and Evgeny Malkin. Oh. Next pack. I started on the right side again this time. I don't know why. It just felt right at the last second. Okay. Jonathan Marchessault. Aaron Ekblad. And Alex Ovechkin. Spectrum. Cam Talbot. J.K. DeBrusk. Come on, DeBrusk. I like Jake DeBrusk a lot. Pack number 3. Alright. We got Rickard Rakell, Marc-Andre Fleury, and rookie year milestones of Alex DeBrincat, 2017-2018. Andrei Vasilevsky and Justin Williams. Next pack. Matt Zuccarello, Roberto Luongo, and Young Gun of Michael McLeod for the Devils. Just a base Young Gun there. William Karlsson and Brock Besser. Oh. Pack number 5. Dylan Larkin, Kyle Connor, and Authentic Moments, Patrick Laine. Gets 5 goals in 1 game. Sets the Jets record. Jack Eichel, wouldn't mind his autograph. And Guy Lafleur. Final pack on the right stack. Wayne Gretzky, Mark Messier, Pekka Rinne, red. Tomas Hertl and Anthony Mantha. Middle stack, pack number 1. We got Brent Burns, Nathan McKinnon, and Mark Messier, rookie year milestones, 1979-1980. Sidney Crosby and Jonathan Quick. Pack number 2 in the middle. Jeff Skinner, Sean Couturier, and Rookie Year Milestones Mike Modano, 1989-1990. Clayton Keller and James Van Riemsdyk. Next pack. Connor McDavid, Taylor Hall, and Nick Schmaltz update. Ryan O'Reilly and Bo Horvat. Halfway done. The box. We got Alex Kerfoot, Alex Ovechkin, and a red of Nolan Patrick. We got Jamie Benn and Anze Kopitar. Next pack. These packs kind of rip pretty easy. Mikael Granlund, Sean Monahan, and Victor Arvidsson retro, or whatever it's called. I think it's a retro. Cool. That's the back. Cool. Pekka Rinne and Alex Galchenyuk. Last pack from the middle stack. Mikko Rantanen, Max Domi, and Brock Besser, Canucks rookie phenom named All-Star MVP. Cool. That's another update. 528 on the checklist. That's cool. Nolan Patrick and Duncan Keith. Alright. First pack on the left stack here, as you'll see. Let's start on the left stack. Evander Kane, Anders Lee, and a Jake Muzzin update. Kevin Shattenkirk and Tom Wilson. Second pack on the left. Alex DeBrincat, John Gibson, and another Moments card. Authentic Moments. Kane becomes 6th Blackhawk with 500 assists. Cool. Very cool. I think I might have almost all those. Hopefully I get them all. Leon Draisaitl and Colton Parayko. Next pack. Got 4 to go, I believe. We got Alexander Radulov, Gallagher. And Tanner Pearson, update. Eric Stahl. And Steven Stamkos. Next pack. 3 packs to go. 2 autographs, I think, to go. Haven't got the autograph yet. We got Sean Monahan, Mikko Rantanen, and Vladimir Tarasenko. 2 of those in this box. Cool. I like those. Nolan Patrick and Duncan Keith. Should be 2 autographs here. It'd be cool if they were both future watch. Or some of the cool new Sign of the Times. I don't know, they have a lot of really cool stuff in here. So, Max Domi. Philip Forsberg. Vladimir Tarasenko, red. I only got one, what? One autograph in this box? Vincent Trocheck. John Klingberg. What? This isn't even an autograph. 1 pack to go. Austin Matthews. Nico Hischier. No way. Vegas Golden Knights, authentic moments. No autographs. No autographs. Mark Stone. And Jonathan Toews. Look at that, empty box. No autographs. No autographs. All base. All base here, see? No autograph. No autograph. No autograph. Okay, so that's all base. Big stack of base cards, and I'll go through all, and I'll count them, so that way we know that you guys just watched that. I did every bit of it on camera, so. Authentic moments, it's the first, that's the last insert, sorry. Vladimir Tarasenko. This, Vladimir Tarasenko. Tanner Pearson. Another Moments card of Patrick Kane. And Jake Muzzin. Brock Besser. Victor Arvidsson. Nolan Patrick, red. Nick Schmaltz. Mike Modano. Mark Messier. I'm not missing an auto. I'm looking at them all. Pick a Renee. Authentic Moments, Line. Young Gun, Michael McLeod. Alex DeBrincat, rookie year. Alex Ovechkin, FX. And Andrzej Kopitar, red. Yeah, there's no autograph. Not even one. Well, thanks a lot. That's really cool. Expensive stuff to pull a bunch of these. That sucks, but it does say right there, right? 2 autographs total. Cool. Whole bunch of nothing. Oh well. Maybe in the next one. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more breaks. I got some more boxes coming up soon. Thanks.